A new Who Wants to Be a Millionaire next on GoAnimateNetwork.net.
Yo people, I am Giant PC Guy and I will destroy the White House. Uh-oh.
Giant PC Guy, I can't believe you destroyed the White House and that's it, you are grounded for life.
This is Go Animate Network.
Last Thursday on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, Patty McGrath. They won $1,000. You're right, $2,000. According to mythology, whose hair was turned into snakes by the goddess Athena?
I'm gonna go with B, Medusa.
It's a guess?
It's a good guess.
Final answer?
Yes.
Good answer. You won $4,000. Now, join us from New York for night 46 of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system. No weather radio's warning alarm. If you are participating in today's statewide earthquake drill as a part of the West Coast Great Shakeout exercise, drop, cover, and hold on now and follow your post-earthquake drill procedures. This is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test.
A pregnant Demi Moore posed naked for the August 1991 cover of which magazine? Rolling Stone, Elle, Vanity Fair, GQ. Remember seeing this cover?
I do remember seeing it. I have two choices here. I'm pretty sure it's C, Vanity Fair.
Final answer?
Yes, it's my final answer.
You're right for $8,000. Terrific.